All right, everyone, let's work on another example from the textbook. This program will convert gallons to liters. So let's get started. I'm going to save this. And again, in my chapter 1 folder, the name is important. I'm going to say gal to lit dot java and short for gallons to liters. So my class name should also match with the file name. Just like this, right? So public static void main string args. So we're ready. So first thing, I need two variables, one to hold the number of gallons and another one to hold the number of liters. So to declare two variables, I need to say double is the variable type and the name is gallons. I'm gonna write a comment here to say that this will hold the number of gallons and double liters, and add a comment here to say holds the conversion to liters. Okay, so the comments are important in programs that allow us to see what the program does. So it helps the programmers. However, compilers usually or always ignore the comments. They don't consider them when they compile them. So it's only for us. All right, so let's start with an initial, say 10. Let's do 10.0. And this one, let's write a comment here that says start with 10 gallons. Okay, and then liters. Let's do the conversion. The conversion is gallons, the amount of gallons times 3.7854. So that's how you convert. So another comment, convert to liters. And finally, let's print the result. System.out.print. And let's write some, before we write some text, we want to say gallons, which is the amount of the gallons, plus some text which can say gallons is space liters plus space liters. Okay, to complete the sentence. So I think we're ready to compile, save, compile, and run. Save, compile, Java. Before we do, let's see if the file is there. So I have gal to lit.java here, and I can say java c gal to lit. So Java is a case-sensitive program language, which means typing lowercase g versus uppercase G will make a difference. So I was able to successfully compile. Then I can run Java gal to lit. So 10.0 gallons is 37.854 liters. So I can go ahead and change the value. Let's say 10.5. Remember the gallons and both liters are double type, which means that we can store a decimal number. Let's make it 5.54. So once you make a change on your file, you need to recompile and run again. There you go. So we get some number with so many numbers after the decimal point. Okay, so let's say you made an error in your program. Let's say I made a typo. I said liters with 2 T. What will happen? So if you try to compile, you can see that it actually issues an error. Error is in gal2lit.java in line 7. In line 7, as you can see here. What is the error? A lot of times errors are understandable. So liters, so it says cannot find symbol. Liters is not recognized. The reason is we did not create a variable with this name. So if you fix this and save, recompile, oh, there you go. And another important fact is that if when you compile a Java program and it issues a syntax error, it will not successfully compile. So to successfully compile, you should have no errors in your program at all. All right, so this was the end of the program. So I can go ahead and change the value just to, let's do 100 one last time and compile and run. So 100 gallons is 378.54 liters.